Hey guys, it's Cary from Byrider Madison. Just want to do a quick video for you today. We're playing a little game of this or that. So I've got two vehicles to show you. We've got right over here a 2014 Ford Flex, and then I've got a 2016 Nissan Altima. So for me personally, choosing between this or that, when it comes down to it, both vehicles have great options. Both vehicles are very well equipped. Personally, if I was to go with one over the other, I would go with the Ford Flex, mainly the space. This is a third row vehicle. It does have a little bit of that height compared to the Altima. Not much, but a little bit better. So it does have a little bit of a clearance. So when it comes to going through the snow, as you can see, we got a little bit of snow here. It's going to help that. Plus, a little bit more of a comfortable ride, a little more upright, a little more off the ground as well. Not saying that the Altima is a bad choice. It's a great choice as well. Great sedan, great fuel economy as well. But for me personally, this Flex in general, a great option. Love the color. But yeah, come on down to Byrider Madison or give us a call, 608-663-1213.